Welcome back to CarVibes Asterisk, the channel where we dive deep into the world of luxury, power, and innovation. Today, we're shifting gears and taking a closer look at a true icon in the world of SUVs, none other than the Asterisk 2025 Lexus LX 570 Asterisk. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride worth watching. When it comes to flagship luxury SUVs, the Lexus LX has always stood out. And in 2025, it continues to uphold its reputation while pushing boundaries. Let's talk about what makes this beast a head-turner on the road. Design and exterior. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Lexus LX 570 is here to make a bold statement. With a design language that screams elegance and confidence, it's impossible to ignore. The signature Lexus spindle grille takes center stage, now larger and more refined, flanked by sleek LED headlamps with a futuristic edge. Moving to the sides, the LX 570 boasts strong character lines that flow effortlessly, giving it a modern yet muscular stance. And those 22-inch alloy wheels, pure perfection. At the back, the LED tail lights span the width of the vehicle, connected by a light bar that enhances its contemporary feel. Performance and power. Under the hood lies the heart of this SUV, a robust 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that replaces the older V8. But don't worry, the power hasn't gone anywhere. With 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, the LX 570 delivers incredible acceleration and towing capability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged terrain, this SUV doesn't break a sweat. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the advanced four-wheel drive system guarantees impeccable handling, no matter the conditions. Plus, the adaptive variable suspension offers a cushioned ride, even on the bumpiest roads. Interior and luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines the meaning of luxury. The cabin is a symphony of craftsmanship, featuring high-quality materials like leather, wood, and aluminum accents. The 2025 model offers multiple configurations, including the option for captain's chairs in the second row for ultimate comfort. The Lexus Interface multimedia system is a highlight, with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen up front and a secondary 7-inch screen below for climate controls. You'll also find a fully digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and a Mark Levinson sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Passengers in the rear seats aren't left out either, thanks to individual entertainment screens, heated and ventilated seats, and generous legroom. This SUV is a sanctuary on wheels. Technology and features. Lexus has packed the LX 570 with cutting-edge technology. From the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 to advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, you're always in good hands. The SUV also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. There's even an optional fingerprint authentication system for added security. And let's not forget the off-road capabilities. The multi-terrain monitor and crawl control make adventuring easy, giving you confidence in any situation. Fuel economy and efficiency. Despite its size and power, the 2025 LX 570 offers improved fuel efficiency, thanks to the new twin-turbo V6. With an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway, it's a step forward in balancing performance and eco-consciousness. Price and trim levels. Now, let's talk pricing. The LX 570 starts at around $90,000, with higher trims pushing past the $100,000 mark. But for what you get, a luxurious, powerful, and capable SUV, it's worth every penny. Driving experience. Driving the LX 570 feels like commanding a ship on land. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of the road, while the insulated cabin keeps outside noise at bay. The steering is precise, and the suspension soaks up imperfections like a dream. It's the perfect blend of comfort and control. Why choose the 2025 Lexus LX 570? If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV, the 2025 Lexus LX 570 is hard to beat. It combines bold design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and unmatched luxury in one package. Whether you're navigating city streets, heading off-road, or embarking on a cross-country road trip, this SUV is built to impress. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Lexus LX 570. If you're as excited about this SUV as we are, hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the LX 570 over its rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLS or Range Rover? Don't forget to subscribe to CarVibes ** for more in-depth reviews, car comparisons, and everything auto. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.